My name is Marie. I'm working in MindLab as a project manager. My background is anthropology, so I studied anthropology at the university in Copenhagen, and I've been working in MindLab since February this year. In MindLab, we work with citizens and companies in finding better solutions for society. We work with 3 ministries and a municipality. The municipality is Odense municipality. We have 3 ministries. It's the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Employment, and the Ministry of Economy and Growth. We always, in MindLab, we work with point of departure in the citizens' and companies' experiences. So we always take a step back, trying to have this view into the development of new solutions. When we scope a project, we always use a lot of time on finding out what is it that we want to get out of this project, what is the value that we want to address. Then we go out to the citizens or companies, making interviews, making participant observations with actually the colleagues from the ministry or the municipality, trying to find out what is actually really mattering for the citizen. So it's human-centered design approach combined with the anthropological methods. I think when you work with cities and involve citizens, it's really important to understand what is important for them. Why is it that they do what they do? So in Odense, we made a workshop around the new citizens' house. They wanted to build a citizens' house, but we want to find out what is it that how should this house look like? What should it be used for? So together with the municipality in Odense, we designed a workshop in a citizen's apartment. And we invited citizens and employees from the department in the municipality to find out how should the house look like, and also what part of what are the relationship with the other parts and buildings in the city. So we actually asked the participant in the workshop to go around in this apartment, finding like things that they wanted to have in the house. So, for example, maybe music. They could find a disc with that. What's really unique about, for MindLab, having Odense municipality in our ownership is that when you have a city, it's really specific. The problems are really specific. You're not so far away from the problems. So I think working with cities, it's really it's a pleasure that you can have the cities just next to you. And we can also see that it's really easy for for Odense municipality to point out where are the problems. So I think working with cities, it's a unique opportunity in actually making the abstract thoughts specific. For me, I think the best way of, if we should design the future of involving citizens, I think I would like every employee in the public sector asking themselves, okay, what is it that should be different for Daniel or Louise in 2 years? What is it that we really want to, how is it that we want to affect him? And then go out, talk with the citizens, finding out what are their experiences, what kind of problems do they have, and actually also in the solutions involve them in and test the solutions with the citizens. And I also think there's a potential in making more co-production when you design the solutions. Think of what could be the resource that the citizen could put into the solution. That would be my dream.